Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Heather Dearhart and I post videos all about life and the things that affect our lives on a regular basis. And as a woman, hair color affects our lives. And if you are trying to stay on a budget and maybe you can't hit a salon every 6 to 8 weeks and pay $150 to get your hair highlighted, and you want to see if e-salon is the way to go and it's better than the grocery store options, I'm gonna give you my thoughts on my experience with e-salon. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so as you may or may not know, my daughter is actually a cosmetologist and does an amazing job on people's hair in Southern California. So if you are in the Redlands area, just east of Orange County, you should look up Get Rooted Salon in Redlands because Megan is amazing. However, I have moved to Texas, and my previous mother-daughter contract of if I help you go to school, you'll do my hair for the rest of my life has been voided by the fact that I've moved to Texas. Lame. I don't know why I should just fly here to do my hair. Anyway, I'm left doing it myself again, which is lame. And I usually just get whatever is at the store that looks like the right color and is on sale maybe. So, but I wanted to try e-salon. I had a coupon for my first one to be $10. So I filled out the form. I told them that I had lots of gray and that I wanted a light beige blonde, and they sent me my first pack, and I'm gonna show you what I did and how it looks. So take a look. Okay, so it's still wet, but I wanted to show you, if you can see it, all of this gray that's still there. It did not cover it. It just kind of turned it white. And the rest of it, I guess, is a beige blonde. It's a little, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it looks a little bit too gold for me based on what I had ordered. But I can go back to them and tell them what happened and ask them to adjust accordingly. So I'll probably have to do that because it did not cover the gray, and I put extra right here and did this first so that it would really get in there. So at the moment, I don't really see that it's that much better than a store-bought one, except for maybe it's better for your hair with the ingredients. But as far as coloring and covering gray, not a fan. Okay, it's dry, and yeah, it just looks white, and it looks like I need to color my hair again. And the rest of it's all just one color. There's really no dimension to it. So I think I'd have to get a darker one that would actually darken this instead of making it still gray, and then maybe add highlights in. But I'm not a fan of this. I'll contact them and see what they can do and show them what this did to my hair, but it definitely did not cover the gray, and it's basically just all one color, and it's too yellow. So, nope. Okay, so as you're looking at my hair right now today, this is about 3 weeks later. I wanted to kind of wait and see if the color changed, if it has faded, you know, what the gray is looking like. And it is still gray. on the top. And I did contact Salon, told them what happened, and was hoping that maybe they would send me a root touch-up or something that would cover the gray, since I had asked for gray coverage and it didn't work. And basically the response that I got was, we will let your color stylist know for next time. So it was like, well, okay, but now I have gray hair that I feel like I have to cover with root spray for the next 8 weeks. And the nice thing about getting my hair done is that for at least 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I don't have to use a root touch-up or a root cover spray. And I've had to do that ever since. I don't have it on today because I wanted to show you. You know, I mean, it's not awful. It is a beigey blonde. I think some of the yellowness has kind of toned down a little bit, which is weird because usually the opposite happens, where the farther out you get from your color, the more orangey it gets and you have to use like a purple shampoo or something like that. And I don't, and it is kind of a light beige blonde. So I will give it props for, you know, the color itself is probably okay. But the fact that it did not cover gray, and they said that, you know, you're guaranteed 100% satisfaction, and the only response I got was, well, we'll just adjust for next time. So I'm gonna do an update video because I have not gotten my next time yet, and I'll do it again, and we'll see if the gray can be covered and blended better. But at the moment, I feel like if you have darker hair, if you have any kind of variation of brown, or you've got red or black, or even like a dark blonde, and you're wanting one overall color, I think the ingredients are probably pretty good for you. It's convenient. They give you really nice gloves, 2 pairs of them. And I think that it's actually worth it. But blondes are hard because usually they're using, you know, a lifting bleaching agent to get highlights. And most blondes don't necessarily want to be all over one color. You want kind of some dimension, which is really hard to do when you're doing it at home. I have a few techniques on how I do that. If you want to know how I usually do my hair with a darker root and highlights, leave me a comment below and give this video a like so that I know that that's something that you might be interested in doing or knowing about from an at-home perspective. I could do that. This one I was just hoping would give multi-dimension and it would be kind of one-stop shopping. So it's not bad. I think the ingredients are great, and if you can get the right color, I think it's worth it. For me, it remains to be seen how the next one goes, and I will either do another video or I will update the description box below once I get that and tell you my thoughts on if it actually looks any different. But I mean, the color's not bad. My hair feels great. It doesn't feel dry or anything, so thumbs up for that. So anyway, until next time, I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it informative. Again, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you want to see anything else hair related, and otherwise stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.